Hello there. So today I'm going to discuss how to fix product activation failed in Word. So the first step, you click on where it is written this PC like that. Then you open local disk C. Then from there you go to where it is written program files. You open. Then the next step, you go to where it is written Microsoft Office. Then from there, hope you're following, you go to where it is written Office 16. Then this is the file that we were targeting. The file is named OSPPREARM. So what you want to do, you want to right click on this file, then run as an administrator 3 times. So I ran it the first time. That's the first time, yes. Then I ran it a second time, run as administrator the second time, yes. Then I will run it the final time, run as administrator, yes. So the last step I want to take is I want to refresh. So I just right click, then I hit refresh. Then our problem is solved. So what you want to do, you just want to go back to Word and see if it's working. On my side, it's working. So just open it, and as you can see, it's working. So all I will say for now is thank you for watching. Thanks. Like, share, and subscribe.